Alright, it's Flaming Amazing Gaming here, and I'm here to give you top 10 World of Warcraft add-ons. At number 10, we have Recount. Recount is a pretty decent but not necessary add-on. It lets you see important information regarding fights, such as, but not limited to, damage done, DPS, damage taken, healing done, absorbs, deaths, interrupts, and CC breakers. Those are the important pieces of information that it displays. At number 9, we have Postal. Postal is a good add-on because it allows you to deal with mail pretty easily. You can return to sender, delete mail, select which mail to open, or choose to open them all just with a click of a button. As you can see here, I've chosen to open them all, which is filling up my bags with items from the auction house. At number 8, we have Auctioneer. Auctioneer is a must-have add-on for many reasons. It shows the prices of items in the auction house by hovering over them with your mouse pointer. When you go to post an auction, it sets the prices for you based on competitors' prices. Here's Auctioneer posting an item for me, undercutting competition. And it also lets you see the percentage of gold spent per item bought when buying. The percentages are on the far right hand side. You're going to want to buy the items with a lower percentage. At number 7, we have Spell Flash. Spell Flash is a very useful add-on. Spell Flash is an add-on that basically tells you which move to choose next based on flashing icons. At number 6, we have Cooldowns. Cooldowns is also a very useful add-on. Cooldowns lets you see which spells or attacks are on cooldown and for how long, with a timer on each button on cooldown. At number 5, we have Move Anything. Move Anything does just as its name implies. It allows you to move or hide anything on your user interface. To access it, all you do is open your options menu and it is at the bottom. If you don't know what something is called, you can click the FS button at the top, and when hovering over something on your interface, it'll tell you what it is called, and you can search it like this. Here I'm searching up the experience bar. And all you do is click mover and you grab it and move it wherever you want. And I'll do this with the action bar and the mini map also. To hide something, all you do is find what you want to hide and click on Hide. And at number 4, we have Deadly Boss Mods. Deadly Boss Mods is a must-have raid add-on. Deadly Boss Mods will warn you about special attacks and will give you colored raid warnings when fighting a boss. It also will auto-respond to people sending you tells during a boss fight. This add-on will also show you a small bar that shows time till a boss's special attack or a boss's cooldown. And now it's time for the final 3, and at number 3 we have Healbot. Healbot is a must-have add-on for all healers. Healbot gives you a raid type grid with all your party members in it. It allows you to be able to set spells for certain button and mouse click combinations, which are used with Shift, Control, Alternate, left click, middle button, and right click. With Healbot, you can use spells and buffs with a click of a button. As you can see here, you can see me using spells and buffs on this other player with a click of a button. My flash heal is set to shift and left click, so when I press that button combination on his name on the grid, I flash heal him, and when I press shift and right click on his name on the grid, I power word shield him. Here's me just demonstrating Healbot in combat. As you can see, when I hover my mouse over one of the players, it tells me which combinations I have set for each button. Left heal, middle renew, right greater heal. And it gives me a recommendation for heal over time. And at number 2 we have Bartender. Bartender is number 2 for a reason. I can't play World of Warcraft without Bartender. Bartender allows you to customize up to 10 action bars in any way you like. It also hides the ugly Blizzard art bar, which is shown here right at the bottom. Yeah, it's pretty ugly. So you can hide that and customize all these bars that you see here on my screen. And here I demonstrate the many things you can do with Bartender. You can see the bar in the background adjusting to how I set it. Last but not least, at number 1, Carbonite. The only reason why Carbonite made number 1 is because it is so many add-ons in one. It helps you with quests, it provides you with map information, it shows you flight times, it keeps database of all your friends and items on all characters, it can guide you to the nearest NPC, it holds all your gathered data and locations, and so much more. I recommend Carbonite for all World of Warcraft players. Here's Carbonite's map data. Here's the friend database. Here's the item database called Warehouse. And this is the NPC guide, which will guide you to any NPC that you want to, well, the nearest one. And here I choose trainers and class trainers, and I choose warrior. And it gives me a path and distance to the nearest warrior trainer. And this is the end of the top 10 World of Warcraft add-ons video. Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe if you liked it, and leave me a suggestion on what video to make next. Thanks for watching.